There you go, everyone. Thank you for watching part 2. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. I'm done cooking. Pancit is done. Cooking is stir fry noodles with two kind of noodles, rice noodles and lo mein noodles right here. So it's finished cooking. So mega like shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. Always saying hello to you all and God bless us all. Thank you for watching. It's kainan na. It's eating time. Like pancit time is eating time. Easy and quick dinner for us tonight. So let's eat pancit, everyone, and craving satisfied for me. So I was craving pancit. So I said, what is the quick thing I can make? Pancit for long life. There you go. So let's eat, enjoy, and God bless us all. Is rice noodles and yellow noodles is pancit canton. So lo mein noodles right there. And that's it. And mixed vegetables with lot of mixed gulay. So carrots, zucchini, right here, carrots, zucchini, and Chinese cabbage with Chinese cabbage with ground pork, onion, and garlic, and that's it. So thank you for watching, everyone, and using less sodium soy sauce and this oyster sauce and minced garlic and black pepper, and that's it. And God bless us all. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Thank you so much for your time to watch. It's eating time. Let's eat, everyone. It's dinner time. Now it's 9 p.m. here in Maryland, USA. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to for the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And then we have Hawaiian rolls for pancit. That's it. Put the pancit inside the Hawaiian rolls. So that's it, everyone. And thank you, and God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Have a good evening. Hope you enjoy it. So good evening here in the US. Good morning in the Philippines, PI, and afternoon somewhere in UK. So wherever you are, stay safe, and let's eat, enjoy, and God bless. So long, everyone. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Kainan na. Eating time, dinner time. So let's eat, enjoy, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. Silent viewer, silent subscriber, please. I beg you to ask you a favor to like, subscribe. If you have your phone with you, please subscribe me right now, and thank you very much appreciate you, and God bless you all. So long, see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless. So long, everyone, and enjoy, and God bless. So eating time, pancit is done. So craving satisfied. Thank you again, and God bless you all. So long, and enjoy, and God bless you all. Mabuhay po tayong lahat sa man tayo naroon ng sulok ng mundo. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga naroon ng sulok ng mundo, stay safe as always. And take care, and God bless you all. Love you guys, and be safe as always. You know, life is too short. So we only live once. So love one another. Love yourself, and love everybody. So thank you, and God bless you all. So long, everyone. Take care, and God bless. Enjoy, and have a good evening to you all. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all. Jesus love us. Thank you, and God bless.